Description: reverse visible skins of Crépe, dry skin with this lightly whipped, fast-absorbing formula that leaves skin visibly smoother, firmer, toubably soft. Benefits: discover 48 hours of hydration with a formula that is dermatologist tested and safe for sensitive skin. Suggested use: use twice daily after exfoliating with pre-treatment. Apply liberally onto dry, crepey areas of the body. Top reviews from the United States. Why did I order this product before? Visible difference after a month if use. Truly moisturizing S&D has decreased my visible chest lines and aged appearance. Will keep ordering.